In today's digital age, many individuals are looking for ways to boost their income and increase their profits. Two popular methods that have gained significant attention are affiliate marketing and drop shipping. Both strategies offer unique opportunities for entrepreneurs to generate revenue online. However, it is crucial to understand the pros and cons of each approach before diving in headfirst. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services on your website or social media platforms in exchange for a commission on any sales made through your referral links. On the other hand, drop shipping allows you to sell products directly from suppliers without having to hold inventory or handle shipping. Understanding the emotional objectives of our readers is essential when discussing these two approaches. Many individuals who are considering venturing into online business may be feeling overwhelmed by the vast array of options available, unsure which path will lead them towards success. By addressing their concerns and providing valuable insights, we can help alleviate their worries and guide them towards making an informed decision. Affiliate marketing. What you need to know. Affiliate marketing offers several advantages that make it an attractive option for those starting out in e-commerce. Low startup costs. One of the most significant benefits of affiliate marketing is its low barrier to entry. Unlike traditional businesses that require substantial capital investment, all you need as an affiliate marketer is a website or social media presence. No inventory management. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about product inventory or shipping logistics since you're simply promoting someone else's offerings. Wide range of products. As an affiliate marketer, you have access to a vast marketplace with countless products across various niches. This flexibility allows you to cater your promotions specifically towards your target audience. The drawbacks of affiliate marketing. While there are many advantages associated with affiliate marketing, it is essential to consider the potential downsides as well. Limited control. As an affiliate marketer, you have no control over the products or services you're promoting. If the quality of these offerings diminishes or if customer service is lacking, it could reflect poorly on your reputation. Commission-based income. While some affiliate programs offer generous commissions, others may only provide a small percentage of each sale. This means that your income can fluctuate greatly depending on various factors such as product popularity and consumer behavior. High competition. Affiliate marketing has become increasingly popular in recent years, leading to a highly competitive landscape. Standing out from the crowd and driving traffic to your promotions requires diligent effort and strategic marketing techniques. Drop shipping. The pros. Drop shipping has gained significant attention due to its unique advantages. Minimal investment. Similar to affiliate marketing, drop shipping requires minimal upfront investment since you don't need to purchase inventory before making sales. Scalability potential. With drop shipping, there are no limitations on how much you can sell since suppliers handle inventory management and shipping logistics. This allows for rapid growth without being constrained by physical stock levels. Flexibility in product selection. Unlike affiliate marketing where you promote existing products, drop shipping enables entrepreneurs to curate their own product catalog based on market demand and trends. The cons of drop shipping. While drop shipping offers numerous benefits for aspiring online business owners, there are also challenges that need careful consideration. Lower profit margins. Since suppliers handle inventory storage and shipping costs in drop shipping, profit margins tend to be lower compared to traditional retail models. Supplier dependence. Your success in drop shipping heavily relies on reliable suppliers who can fulfill orders promptly while maintaining product quality. Finding trustworthy partners can be time-consuming and challenging at times. Customer service responsibility. As a drop shipper, any issues related to product quality, shipping delays, or customer inquiries will fall on your shoulders. Maintaining a high level of customer satisfaction requires effective communication and problem-solving skills. In conclusion, both affiliate marketing and drop shipping offer unique opportunities for entrepreneurs to generate income online. Affiliate marketing provides a low-cost entry point with access to a wide range of products, while drop shipping allows for scalability and flexibility in product selection. However, it is crucial to consider the potential drawbacks associated with each approach before making a decision. Ultimately, the choice between affiliate marketing and drop shipping depends on individual preferences, skill sets, and long-term goals. By understanding the pros and cons outlined above, readers can make an informed decision that aligns with their aspirations for success in the world of e-commerce. Remember that success in either field requires dedication, hard work, and continuous learning. With careful consideration of these factors alongside personal interests and market trends, you can boost your profits today through affiliate marketing or drop shipping, taking your online business to new heights.